How to win against complex liens as pro-Southeast. Have you ever found yourself tangled in a web of complex liens and wondered how to fight back without hiring a lawyer? You are not alone. Many property owners face this challenge, and understanding how to navigate it can make all the difference. Let's break down the steps you can take to win against complex liens while representing yourself. First, it is essential to know what a lien is. A lien is a legal claim that a creditor has on your property to ensure they get paid for a debt. Complex liens can involve multiple creditors or disputes about their validity. These liens can create obstacles when trying to sell your property or refinance it. To effectively challenge a complex lien, start by identifying and understanding it. Determine the type of lien you are dealing with, such as a judgment lien, mechanics lien, or tax lien. Check when the lien was recorded and if it is valid. You need to confirm whether the debt is actually owed and whether the lien was recorded before or after any bankruptcy filings. Next, gather all relevant documentation. Collect lien notices, court judgments, payment records, and any bankruptcy filings. Having accurate records is vital. It helps you avoid mistakes like missing deadlines or filing incorrect paperwork. Now, let's talk about removal options. If the lien is valid but the debt has been paid, you can request a lien releases from the lien holder. Once you receive it, file it with the county recorder's office to clear your title. If the lien is invalid or fraudulent, you may need to file a motion in court to challenge it. This could involve filing a motion to avoid the lien in bankruptcy or initiating a quiet title action to resolve ownership disputes. When filing legal motions, familiarize yourself with the specific court procedures and deadlines. Ensure your motions are well supported by facts and legal arguments relevant to your case. A common mistake is failing to follow court rules or submit the necessary evidence, which can lead to dismissal. Prepare for court hearings by presenting your case clearly. Focus on why the lien should be removed or invalidated. Be ready to respond to any arguments from creditors and provide the necessary documentation to support your claims. Avoid common legal mistakes that can hinder your progress. Do not ignore liens or assume they disappear after bankruptcy without proper motions. Missing filing deadlines or failing to serve required parties can also derail your efforts. Always get lien releases or settlements in writing instead of relying on verbal agreements. If you find yourself overwhelmed, do not hesitate to seek help. Complex liens involving multiple parties or disputed validity may require legal expertise. Even if you are proceeding pro-Southeast, consulting a lawyer for advice or document review can help you avoid costly errors. In practical terms, winning against complex liens without a lawyer means being organized, informed, and diligent. Understanding lien types, deadlines, and court rules can help you avoid pitfalls. When disputes arise, filing the correct motions and presenting a clear case is essential. If you encounter complexity beyond your capacity, seeking professional guidance can prevent mistakes that might jeopardize your property rights.